Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can log into Magic Light AI. In order to do so, first off, head over to magiclight.ai. And what is Magic Light all about? Well, it's the world's first AI story video generator that turns imagination into stories without limits. Tell stories of any length effortlessly with Magic Light's one-stop AI story video generator. Enjoy AI-powered script generation and seamless character consistency to bring your imagination to life. If you want to log in, let's go ahead and click on Get Started. And up here at the top right-hand corner, we can see the login button. And from here, we have a few options. We can log in with Google, Apple, Discord, or we can log in with our email. So whatever is your preference, I'm going to go ahead and log in with Google. And there you go. We have successfully logged in to Magic Light AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord channel. Also, our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers you a variety of AI employees to help you succeed. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the Linktree, you can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Simply Financial. Check to see if it's available in your area.